Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to the show. So, I take on the challenge of creating salon quality nail polygel extension right at home today. Nail polygel extension have become a staple in the beauty industry, and with the rise of at-home manicures, it's no wonder why more and more people are wanting to achieve salon quality results from the comfort of their own homes. When it comes to DIY nail extensions, there's always a lingering doubt in the back of our mind. Can we really achieve salon quality results on our own? Many of us have tried and failed, ending up with uneven, lumpy, or just plain disastrous results. And that's exactly what I want to address today. The common challenges we face when trying to achieve salon quality nails polygel extensions at home. One of the biggest doubts people have is whether they have the necessary skills or experience to apply nail polygel successfully. Without proper training or guidance, it can be intimidating to take on the task, especially when you are not sure what products to use or how to apply them correctly. Another challenge people face is finding the right products that are suitable for at-home use. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right polygel tips and tools. Let's not forget about the time and patience required to achieve a flawless finish. It's not a quick process, and it does not take some practice to get it right. Finally, there's the fear of making mistakes and not being able to fix them, which can be a major turn off for many of us. But today I want to show you, with the right tools, products, and a bit of practice, you can achieve salon quality polygel extension from the comfort of your own home. So to get started, you will need a few essential tools and products, including a good quality polygel, nail tips, and a UV or LED lamp, and a nail cleanser. I will show you right now. Okay, so I got this parcel from Flipkart because I ordered this a few days ago. Let's see what's inside in this box. Nail tips, and then let's see. Okay, what is this? See this one. Actually, it's not getting focused. It's in the matte top coat. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, there's the UV LED lamp, as you can see. Okay, next this filer. Okay, and okay, what's this? This is that's a base coat. Okay, next. Oh, there's another one. There's a top coat. I don't know. Oh, this is of 3 Strokes brand. Top coat. Okay. See. Next is, I got 2 of the polygels of 3 Strokes. See. This one is nudish pink, and this one is coffee. 3 Strokes brand. It's really a good brand for polygel extension. And I got these 2 shimmers or these 2 chromes. This is really nice, beautiful color. See, I think it's really so good at color. And I got this pen. This side is brush, and this side is spatula to get the polygel out from the spatula. Okay, so this is a multi-work pen. Okay, and other thing, clips to press on the nails. Okay, so that's it. We got these things from the package. So when it comes to preparation, make sure to clean and shape your nails like I did it already, because I will do the extension right away. So, sure to clean and shape your natural nails to perfection. This will ensure a smooth application process with a flawless finish. You will also need to apply a small amount of nail glue to the back of the nail tip and attach it to your natural nail. Once you have applied the polygel, use your UV or LED lamp to cure it according to the instructions. But I want to tell you that in my own experience, I have found that practicing on a fake nail tip before applying it to my actual nails makes a huge difference. This allows me to get a feel for the polygel and how it behaves, and it also gives me a chance to work out with any kinks or bubbles before applying it to my actual nail. So there you have it. With the right tools, products and a bit of practice, you can achieve a salon quality nail polygel extension from the comfort of your own home. I hope this video has inspired you to take on the challenge and try it out for yourself. If you have any experience with the nail extension or have any tips to share, please leave them in the comment box below, and don't forget to check out my other tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to achieve salon quality results at home. Okay, so if you want the full tutorial on my polygel nail extensions, so please do subscribe and please know me in the comments you want the polygel tutorial of mine. Okay, so bye.